In this video, we're going to look at how to highlight the cell that contains the lowest number in a range in Excel. In this example, we have a range of values from B3 through to B9, and what we want to do here is to highlight the cell with the smallest number in this range. To do this, we first need to select this range. So let's go ahead and select the range B3 through to B9. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Styles group. From this list, select New Rule, which will display a new formatting rule dialog box. And from the list below, select Format Only Top or Bottom Ranked Values. In the drop-down field below, select the bottom option, and in the input field to the right, key in a value of 1. This will apply a formatting condition to the lowest number from the selected range. The next step, click on the Format button, which will display a Format Cells dialog box. In there, click on the Fill tab and then select any of these available colors here. Alternatively, if you want to select a different color, you can click on the More Colors button. However, in this example, we'll just select this light blue color and click the OK button. This will take us back to the new formatting rule dialog box, and in there, click the OK button. Great. You can now see that the value of 100, which is the lowest value in the selected range, has been highlighted in the nominated color. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.